An unverified 21-page document circulating widely in Zimbabwe has ignited fresh political speculation, claiming to review an alleged succession strategy linked to the controversial 2030 coup. Zarabina mashukobuda panguva ino achinzi secret 2030 coup plot rocks ZIM. Unverified dossier claims shock power shake up is coming. Zarabina mashukobuda nyuka panguva achinzi pane a power shake up irikuya yaje reveliwa in the 21-page leaked document. Panguva ino irikuonekwa panguva ino asazvabvitfewa kuti aiwa this intelligence document nderechokwadi iri, this dossier iri nderemazviro kwazvo iri, but panguva ine zvinoratidza kuti nhau dze2030 hadzina kumira zvakanaka, dzine munhu basi. Sanapinda masvika mudanyika panguva ino toba subscribe or like on the bell icon mudanyira chita. However, none of the claims in the document have been independently verified, and there is no official evidence confirming the alleged plan. According to the document, President Emmerson Mnangagwa would allegedly sign the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment No. 3, due into law, before resigning within days or dissolving his cabinet. It further claims this would sideline first Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, elevate second Vice President Kempo Mohadi as interim president, and pave the way for the parliament to elect First Lady Mnangagwa as president by July 31, 2026. The document has fueled intense debate on social media amid national controversy surrounding Constitutional Amendment No. 3, but its contents remain allegations only. No official confirmation has been issued by the Zimbabwean government or ZANU-PF, and the reported succession scenario should be treated as speculation unless supported by verifiable evidence. Doma developments ari kubuda panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi hazvina kumira zvakanaka kana chiri chokwadi chiri mumadocuments awa zvinenge zvisina kumira zvakanaka munyika yeZimbabwe. Rekomenda section medu dzafumbiro enyu mautudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.